Hi, my name is Divisha and I'm a stylist with Myntra.com. We are Wrangler Style Partners for their True Wanderers contest. Today I'm going to be designing looks for the winners and giving them styling tips and advice.
This collection consists mainly of jeans and graphic t-shirts that scream adventure, ideal for people like our contestants that like living life on the edge. Having looked at the contestants' True Wanderers blog and chatting with them over the phone, I have gotten some sense of their style and personalities. Based on this, I've put together looks for each of our winners. One of our contestants, for example, has a classic sense of style. Blue jeans, basic colored t-shirts. While riding, he rides to add boots and jackets to his ensemble. So for him, I've gone ahead and paired basic blue jeans with t-shirts in classic colors like white, blue, black and grey. I've also added jackets for him, one sleeveless, one full sleeve, that he can layer one on top of each other or wear individually depending on the weather conditions while he's riding. Another one of our contestants is tall and lean and has a body that deserves to be shown off to the fullest. With this in mind, I have paired for him light blue jeans with white t-shirts and jackets in olive and brown with zipper detailing to keep the look classic yet very dapper. Going by this contestant's blog, he seems like the kind of person who likes to experiment with his style. Keeping that in mind, I've paired stone-washed denims with rugged tees that have a washed-out feel to them. He prefers sneakers while riding. So to protect the cuff of his jeans, I recommend that he fold his cuffs outwards and upwards in thin folds ending just above the ankles. This will not only serve the practical purpose of protecting his jeans, it will also give his ensemble an edginess to it. Layering is something I recommend to everyone who spends time on a bike. It not only adds style to your ensemble but also protects you against the elements that you're exposed to a lot more than other people. This, for example, is a look for when the weather is warm or not too cool. I've paired a shirt, under it half-sleeve t-shirt. You can also pair a full-sleeve t-shirt under a half-sleeve t-shirt or do a shirt over a t-shirt. Just so that it adds some sort of interesting element to your outfit. Also, it'll protect you, like I said, against the elements. This ensemble is for someone who's riding in the winter or say in the mountains, generally when it's very cold. What I've done is paired a t-shirt with a sleeveless vest jacket, which is waterproof, combined with a full sleeve jacket. Now you can either pair it like I have or then switch the sleeveless jacket outside and put it on top of the full sleeve jacket for when it rains, because then this waterproof layer will protect you against the rain as well. So remember, layering is something you should be thinking about if you spend a lot of time on a bike. Styling tips aside, it is essential for every individual to experiment and find their signature sense of style, because what looks good on someone else might not necessarily look good on you. Besides, your style reflects your personality, and that needs to show through your clothes. Finally, we at Myntra would like to wish our winners all the very best. Happy riding!